Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on Discord on the Picsart app. To know how to fix or how to solve display on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Picsart and you can click. Here we'll enter to first app and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find here update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.